Hi, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. Welcome, and I encourage you to check out the site, check out the blog. There's always lots of freebies and handouts in there. Check out my about story, my woman story that really maybe will help you resonate with some of the things in there so that we can get to trust each other a little bit more. And I can think of no better way than the 7-day challenge to, one, for a little smidge, a little tidbit of getting to know me, but also me getting to know you and you getting to know you in terms of all the little things and connecting the dots between, how you're feeling, your digestion, and what you're putting in and putting out can be a really fantastic way to start that process. And if nothing else, set up a curiosity call. We can chat a little bit or sign up to the email list. We can continue to get to know each other that way. But whatever it is, I hope to meet you soon in one way or another. Thanks so much for being here.